Hello everyone and welcome to Hoopty Doodle's Goldwing bobber build. In our quest to transform this 1982 GL 1100 into a bobber style motorcycle, we have chopped several things and fabricated several things, including a custom gas tank and a new backbone, a single backbone on this GL 1100 frame. And our previous chopping has necessitated moving all of the electronics to new locations, and so today I'm going to show you how I did that. Let's go take a look. Alright, so underneath this modified gas tank, we have got most of our electronics. We've got our CDI unit, we've got our control unit, we've got our ignition coil, we've got our fuse box, we've got our spark units. And on the other side, we have got the flasher relay for the LEDs is right here. That's everything. It's underneath the gas tank. It all fits under there. And this is how I did it. Alright, so I'm mocking up the position of where these guys are going to go. This is the CDI box here, and I've got, I think this is the control unit it's called here. And so these guys will actually fit in here pretty decently. So my plan is to put those in, and I've still got the little brackets that they came off of. They are sort of suspended on these little rubber holders here, and so this slots onto here, and that's how it's supposed to work from the stock. I'm just going to reuse that, cut this bracket part off, and reuse that little tab welded onto here. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut the old bracket off, and I've actually shaped it to this pipe here, and so it should wrap around the pipe like so, and then stick out just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and tack weld it on there, and then we'll test fit that thing to make sure it works. Alright, so here's this guy. It's just a little bit warm, and so we're gonna stick this on here. I'm gonna stick the tank on there. Alright, so I think that's good. And we'll fit the other one up here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and we'll tack that on too. Alright, next bit I want to work on is the signal indicator flasher relay. This is an aftermarket one I got. It's supposed to work with LED lights. The square one, I've even been told by someone else, is the one to get. It's the one I just happened to get, so I'm pretty thrilled with that. Hopefully it does actually work. It's a little plastic box, and it's got this convenient little tab here with a hole on it. So I'm simply going to weld a nut to the top of this thing and then thread a bolt down through this thing onto that nut, and that is my mount for this little guy.